The ASUS ROG Ally X allows you to install games from multiple stores like Xbox and Steam and access them all from the Armoury Crate SE library. It's a Windows-based platform, so installing games is a lot like installing on many other Windows computers. You can hunt for deals, get exclusive games, and you don't have to worry about compatibility. Let's go over installing a game from Xbox. Each platform will be a bit different, but the process is similar. From Armoury Crate SE, open Xbox. Go to the store and browse or search for the game at the top. Once you find it, you can buy it, or if you have an Xbox Game Pass subscription, you may be able to play it. Just select Install. The ROG Ally X comes with a 3-month trial of Xbox Game Pass. The game will start downloading and then install onto the ROG Ally X. Most installed games will appear under All Games in Armoury Crate SE. If the game isn't showing, press the View button to add it from the list or use File Explorer to point to the game's executable file.